Welcome. In this video we're going to model what I called the end piece for the frame, and so that's the darker red piece. And I'm going to consider this being kind of the front, at least for my Part Studio. The front plane kind of facing out this way, down and left, the right kind of facing out down and right. And so when I model these pieces in my Part Studio, I'm going to try to keep them in the same orientation as they're going to go in the assembly. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is actually start on the top plane facing up, and I'm going to get this profile right here that you see on that top face. It's kind of like a rectangular block with a couple little cutouts. And I've got this drawing sheet right here that we'll use to reference. So I've already started a new document that we can reference. So I see my overall dimension is going to be 4.5 and my overall thickness is going to be 0.25. So let's start with that. So I'm going to start a sketch on the top plane. I'm rotating it so that I can see it this direction. And alright, I'm going to click to make the rectangle and then manually type 4.5, enter, and 0.25. Okay, now I have little cutouts, and those are 0.25 width and 0.125 in their depth. Okay, looking back here, so that depth I understood from right here, that 0.125, that helps me understand that of that rectangle. And then in this view, it helped me know the width dimension. Okay, so I need to locate those little rectangles that are going to create those cutouts. And so I've got 1.375 is the edge closest to both ends. So that's the same for both. So 1.375. So we're going to use our dimension tool. And from one end to this one, it's called 1.375. And from here to here, same thing, 1.375. Alright, that is the end of our sketch. Notice that everything is black, it's been fully constrained. I'm going to finish the sketch, choose extrude, click that. It's going to be, let's see, going up, which it is, and 1 inch is the correct distance. You can confirm that over here, that 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to rename this part. We will call it the frame end as opposed to the frame side. And I will right click and change the appearance to a red. And I don't know what I'd used before, but I kind of used a dark red and a light red. So I might have used this one and another one, but you can hit the mixer and then you can kind of change in here. So I'm not sure. It's not going to be the exact same colors as my other one. All right, so there is our first piece.